So now that you understand, hopefully, while loops, arrays, for loops, sorting, and switch case, well, we're going to focus on combining the while loops with the switch and the case for this. Why don't we turn this Drive Right Insurance Company into a reusable program, so we can run this over and over again until we want to quit. For that, we're going to need a menu. It'll be very simple. So let's get started, shall we? We're going to implement the while loop from earlier. So keep running equals 1. And while keep running, we'll say run insurance. I could name this anything, doesn't really matter, but we're gonna put it down here. So function run insurance, and that's just gonna run this. So we're gonna want a menu. So our menu will have options. We'll say option 1 is calculate premium. Option 2 is quit program. And we're going to need our switch. So we'll make a switch. And we'll be doing something a little bit different here. We'll be using our handy-dandy library from before to lib.getNumber choice. And if they enter 1, case 1, remember before in the Drive Right how we used the switch true and then these case ages? This isn't really how you would normally use switch. What we're doing up here is the more typical of how switch is supposed to work. So we're going to say if they picked this, then we'll just run get information, calculate premium, and display totals. Remember, these are the exact same things that we used in the first time you made this program. And if they say case 2, keep running equals 0. And how about console.log? Bye-bye. Break. Default. Now, what if they didn't enter 1 or 2? What if they entered 0 or -1 or who knows what they might have entered? So if that's the case, we want to say invalid menu choice. And in that case, we do nothing. Now, what's going to happen if this happens? Well, it'll break the switch. It'll come back to the end of run insurance. The while loop will run insurance again. And the menu will display. Let's give it a shot. So now we have this handy-dandy little menu. If I type calculate premium, I can pick a policy number. First name, last name, 11/14/1986. Not 1086, okay. And 2/14/2018. Let's say 2. It calculates it. I can do it again. I'll do it for my friend here. Policy number 2. Wyatt Youngs. I don't know your birth date. I'm going to use mine. A little bit different, though. I'm going to say 2000. 12/28/1999. And calculates it differently. Gets everything straightened out. When I quit, we just type 2. Bye-bye! So this is the standard and probably simplest way to implement a menu in your programs.